This is what $140 gets you for a Shortlet apartment in Osogbo, Osun State. Osogbo is probably the most peaceful and one of the fast developing capitals in southwest Nigeria. The area this Shortlet is located is known as Agunbelewo, and this is a tour of the apartment with the manager. So we're about to enter the apartment, and first of all we have this door which has a very special lock system. So I'm going to ring.
You're welcome to see this place. So right here we have face mirror, and this also serves as where you could keep your key, your car key, and the apartment key.
And I can see that we have this very
nice.
Moving into the sitting room, I was absolutely blown away with what I saw. You can tell they really put a lot of work and thought into the design and outcome of this place. The essence of a Shortlet compared to a hotel is to make you feel like you're in your house, and this does the job perfectly and beyond.
So right here you can focus on the kitchen right here, which is also connected to the living room. Anything you can ever imagine that you want to be in your kitchen, even as a chef, is right here. This is a washing machine right here. We also have the dishwasher right here. This table where you could actually probably cut your veggies, cut your pepper and all, and we have a cabinet right here also, and we have our oven, our microwave right here. This is the fridge and the freezer, and we have cups, both the wine glass and the water glass.
Every utensil and everything
every utensil that you can ever need. This is also the heat extractor, because we know that the kitchen is connected to the living room, so there is nothing like you're cooking and everybody's feeling hot or anything. This is where we have the store. For those staying long, we have the store. You can keep series of things inside, probably your food items.
Right beside the kitchen is the dining space, and the first thing I noticed is the Starlink router.
We decided to introduce Starlink network here in Osogbo like no other, so we can guarantee a speed of 200 MB per second for our customers. Wow. So far they are within the vicinity.
The dining space has a really nice design, which is a continuation of the luxurious design language of the sitting room. And just beside the dining space is a door that leads to the first room. Wow! I'm a very big fan of minimalistic design, so this kind of room is perfect for someone like me. I really loved what I saw in the first room. Get a tastefully furnished room with a minimalistic design, and it is quite spacious. I especially was impressed with the choice of paints in the room. You also get a TV, this light that doubles as a fan, and Bluetooth speaker. We
have it exclusively in all the rooms here into this place.
And a big wardrobe. So we have our bathroom right here.
This is the bathroom.
Very luxurious as well. I can tell that the design of this place was well thought out, because this is not a common sink right here.
We also have here to keep your stuffs.
Wow.
And the mirror right here.
Come and check this out.
Very smart.
The mirror is also smart. I like it. There we have all the utensils that are going to need in the bathroom as well. It's also available in all bathroom, like he told me before. Everything that you need is basically in this Shortlet. Then we are moving on into the other parts of the apartment. Moving into the second bedroom. The design is basically the same with the first bedroom, but this one feels much more cozy. It has everything you will need during your stay. You get a wardrobe, but it is the smallest out of the 3 rooms. A smart TV, and a table where you can walk, or for the ladies, get your makeup done. This is the bathroom.
Yeah, for every bathroom now, like I showed to you earlier, there's a package from the shaving kit to the dental kit and the body lotion, the bath gel, as well as the shampoo for the hair. We have towels and there's also the water heater for our guests, as well as all the toilets needs that we'll be needing. And we also offer housekeeping, free housekeeping for them on a daily basis for those that are staying for more than a day.
The master bedroom is the one upstairs, and check out the lighting on the wall, which is very creative and beautiful.
Right here is the inverter.
So basically we have 24 hours electricity.
You can see the lighting,
Like the
chandelier here. Right here we have a swing chair if you want to relax, probably read a book.
Then right here we have
Pressing higher.
table, and also another side where you can relax as well.
And from here you can have a view of the living room right from here.
So guys, we are currently in the master bedroom, and check out this design. Getting into the master bedroom for the first time, I was really impressed. You can tell it was well planned and put together. The design is simple, but it has a blend of luxury. What I love the most is the lighting that complements the POP design in the ceiling, which gives the room a different vibe. I really like the bed frame.
Yeah.
It's quite different. I've not seen something like that before. I mean, I have to go out more.
Yeah, maybe you should.
First time. Behind this door is where the walk-in wardrobe is. You get to have more than enough storage space. To open the wardrobe, all you have to do is push it, which I find very unique. There's also a balcony right beside the walk-in wardrobe. Then the last part of this room is the bathroom. It's the same design with the other rooms, but this one is bigger and it's the only one that has a jacuzzi. Overall, I'm going to rate this house a solid 9 over 10. The host of this apartment really did a good job, and for all that you get, I think it's totally worth the price. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you need to reach out to us, send a DM on our Instagram at sane.group. See you guys in the next apartment.